These children are reading the Bible and really enjoying it. That's because someone has finally published a version of the Bible that's easy to understand and fun to read. It's called the Picture Bible, a marvelous new idea from the David C. Cook Publishing Company. The Picture Bible actually gives readers an immediate overview and grasp of the whole Bible. The stories are chronologically sequenced, and all of the chapters are keyed to their corresponding scripture passages. You can order this attractive hardbound volume for $16.95, and it comes to you with a full money-back guarantee. Imagine sharing the wealth of the Bible with your entire family for the remarkably low price of $16.95. Here's how to order yours right now.
Have your credit card ready to order. Call toll-free 1-800-421-2000 or send $16.95 plus $4 shipping and handling to the Picture Bible, P.O. Box 2666, Atlanta, Georgia, 30301, or call 1-800-421-2000.